Namaste. In the recent episodes, we have seen multiplications. I have neatly explained you how to multiply 2 digits into 2 digits, 3 digits into 3 digits, 4 digits into 4 digits, 5 digits into 5 digits, and again 4 digits into 3 digits, 5 digits into 4 digits, like that. We have seen all types of multiplications. I am sure I have explained you fully all types of multiplications with many examples. Now, we will go to another chapter, that is subtractions. So many people are asking in the live about subtractions. No doubt subtractions is an important chapter, and there is a very easy way to solve subtractions in speed maths. Within few seconds we can do any subtraction in speed maths. So, now I want to clearly explain you how to do subtractions without any strain, underline. We will do subtractions, please do follow. There is no need of any pencil or pen, you just see, try to understand. It is very easy to understand and very easy to solve. Please observe. Subtractions. Now, let us see. Suppose
64 minus 78.
Before going to that, I want to tell you one more thing. Before going to subtractions, you are supposed to learn two things, that is
match, mismatch.
You have to learn two things. First is match and mismatch.
6 minus 2 is match.
It is a match because you can easily subtract 6 2 from 6, that is 6 minus 2 4, and this 2 minus 6 is mismatch because you will get negative answer, then we call it mismatch. So, we have to learn match and mismatch, like that 9 minus 5 is match and 4 minus 8 is mismatch, like that anything like that. 7 minus 2 is match, but 3 minus 4 is mismatch. Where you can subtract easily, it is match, where you cannot subtract, it is mismatch. So, you have to learn what is match and what is mismatch, and you have to learn
complements.
I have already told you, still I am telling you, it is important here in subtractions. What is a complement? Complement is the difference of the number, from 10. What is the complement of 4? The difference of 10 and 4 is 6, or else if you add both the numbers, you should become 10. Then it is called a complement. Suppose
Complement of 4 is 6 because 6 plus 4 equal to 10. Complement of 8 is 2. 8 plus 2 equal to 10. Complement of 3 is 7. 7 plus 3 equal to 10. Complement of 5 is 5 because 5 plus 5 equal to 10.
5 plus 5 10, 3 plus 7 10, 8 plus 2 10, 4 plus 6 is 10. So, complement is the difference between the number and the 10. So, complement of 4 is 6, these things you have to remember. So, you please do remember, do try to understand match, mismatch and complements. Match is where you can easily subtract. Even 5 minus 5 is also match, because you can subtract, let the answer be 0, but you can subtract it easily. So, 5 minus 5 is also match, where you can, this is match, not mismatch, match. So, when you can subtract a number, it is match, when you cannot subtract, it is mismatch. And complements, complement is the difference of the number between the 10, or if you add both the numbers, it should become 10. 4 plus 6 10, so complement of 4 is 6. 8 plus 2 is 10, so complement of 8 is 2, like that 3 plus 7 is 10 and 5 plus 5 is 10. So, that is the complement. So, match, mismatch and complement. I hope you observed this well. If you know these things, just amazingly you can do subtractions within few seconds. Now, I will show you how to subtract the numbers very easily using speed maths. Suppose
7, 3, 5 minus 2, 8, 9.
If you want to subtract this in traditional maths, okay, for elders no problem, when they are learning the subtractions, how much headache it creates, you see. You cannot subtract 9 from 5. So, you have to borrow 10 from left side. So, 10 plus 5 15. So, you have to take 5 hand figures and 5 leg figures, and your legs are not enough, you go to other people's legs and count, all these things will be there, and this will become 15. Again you have to close 5 fingers or 4 fingers and leg have fingers and all these things you have to count and write. All this headache you know, or else some people will say like that, you borrow 10 from here, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and add 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right, like that they will write. I have seen with my own eyes. And again you have to subtract 9. So you have to erase 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 you have to take. What are the remaining things? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you write 6. This is the exact way of teaching subtractions in the school. No other way is there. Even we have learned like that. Even today people are learning like that. And now you have to remember, you should not say we have to subtract 8 from 3. Already we have given 10 to this side. Here we have borrowed. So here it is only 2. That you have to remember. You cannot write like this. In traditional maths you have to remember it is 2 only. Again same problem. You cannot subtract 8 from 2. So again you have to borrow 10 from left side. So this 10 plus 2, 12. Again 12 lines 8 like that. But I am telling you 10 plus 2, 12. 12 minus 8, 12 fingers 8, or else 12 minus 8 is 4. Let us assume you know that. 10 plus 2, 12. Again you have to, you should not say 7 minus 2, 5. Here already we have given 10 to that side. So it is 6. 6 minus 2, 4. This is the way of subtracting in our traditional manner. Everywhere everybody teaches like this only. You cannot subtract 9 from 5. Even if you want to say fast, you cannot subtract 9 from 5. You have to borrow 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 minus 6. Again it is not 3, it is 2, because already we have given 10 to this side. So this is 10 plus 2, 12. 12 minus 8, 4. This 12 minus 8 you have to struggle. Again you have to remember, already we have given 1 to that side. So here it is only 6. 6 minus 2 to 4. This is the way of calculating subtractions in schools. Why in schools? Everywhere it should be calculated. This is the only way known. But I will show you how this can be done within few seconds without any strain using speed maths. Okay?
7, 3, 5 minus 2, 8, 9.
Because you can come from left to right, but coming from left to right is easy. You can come from right to left, not necessary. You start from left and go to right, just you finish it in 4-5 seconds. See, kindly listen carefully.
7 minus 2 equal to 5.
This is 7 minus 2. You are supposed to write 5 here, okay, but you have to see the right side and you have to know. That is why I told you whether it is match or mismatch. Here you have to subtract 8 from 3. So it is naturally mismatch, because you cannot subtract. When it is mismatch, you subtract 1 from this answer. That is 7 minus 2 is 5, but you write it as 4, because it is a mismatch. Understood? 7 minus 2 is supposed to be 5. See the right side, it is mismatch. So reduce 1. This is 4. Now add the complement of 2 to 3. Here you cannot subtract 3 minus 8, it is mismatch. I told you. When it is mismatch, what to do is simple thing. Add the complement of the lower number to the upper number. What is the lower number is 8. What is its complement? 8's complement is 2, because 8 plus 2 is 10. So the complement of 8 is 2. 2 plus 3, 5. You are supposed to write 5 here, but immediately you have to see your right side, whether it is a match or mismatch. If it is match, you write as it is. If it is a mismatch, you reduce 1. Only 2 things. If the right side it is a match, write the figure. If it is mismatch, reduce 1. Here complement of 8 is 2, 2 plus 3 is 5, but this is mismatch. 5 minus 9 is mismatch. So 5 minus 1, 4. Over. Again it is mismatch. So when it is a mismatch, add the complement of the lower number to the higher number. What is the complement of 9? 1. 1 plus 5, 6. So the answer is 446. Because I want to explain, it has taken a much time. I will tell you simply. 7 minus 2 is 5. It is mismatch. So make it 4. Complement of 8 is 2. 2 plus 3, 5. But it is mismatch. So 5 minus 1, 4. And finally it is the last number. There is nothing to decrease or increase. Complement of 9 is 1. 1 plus 5, 6. So 446, 446. Simply you can do, let it be 2 digits or 2000 digits. You have to see whether it is match or mismatch, and you have to find what is the complement. Let us go to some more number. So
6, 5 minus to 8.
Okay. Here 8, 5, 8, you come from left to right, we will start the problem left to right. 6 minus 2, 4, but it is match or mismatch, 5 minus 8 is mismatch. So, 6 minus 2 is 4, you write it as 3. Now, when it is a mismatch, I told you, you add the complement of the lower number to the higher number. What is the complement of 8? 2, 2 plus 5, 7. So, 65 minus 28 is 37 within few seconds, like that fast. See, 72 minus 39, 7 minus 3, 4, but it is mismatch, so it is 3. Complement of 9 is 1, 1 plus 2, 3, that is the answer. I hope it is clear. Let us do some more problems.
6, 5, 3, 4 minus 3, 8, 9, 7.
Clearly you can see. Please observe clearly. Here 6 minus 3 is 3, but 5 minus 8 is mismatch. So, this 3 will become 2. If it is mismatch, reduce 1. 6 minus 3 is 3, it is mismatch. So, it has become 2, 3 minus 1. Now, when it is a mismatch here, you add the complement of lower number to the upper number. What is complement of 8? 2. 2 plus 5, 7, but this is mismatch. 3 minus 9 is mismatch. So, this is 2 plus 5, 7, you write it as 6. Again it is a mismatch. When it is mismatch, complement of the lower number to the higher number. Complement of lower number 9 is 1, 1 plus 3, 4, but this 4 minus 7 is mismatch. So, this 4 will become 3. And finally, this is the last number, there is no right side. So, complement of 7 is 3, 3 plus 4, 7. I think it is very clear. 6 minus 3, 3, but it is mismatch. So, it has become 2. Here complement of 8 is 2, 2 plus 5, 7, but here it is mismatch, 7 minus 1, 6. Here complement of 9 is 1, 1 plus 3, 4, but it is mismatch, 4 minus 3, 4 minus 1, 3. Here complement of 7 is 3, 3 plus 4, 7, you write 7. 3 plus 4, nothing to reduce or increase, because left right side nothing is there. This is the answer. Okay, let us see some more examples.
7, 3, 5, 6
Or you reduce this number, 7, 3, 5, 6
minus 3, 2, 8, 7.
Any number you can write. I am showing you matches and mismatches. Here 7 minus 3 is 4, but 3 minus 2 is match. When it is a match, you should not reduce. 7 minus 3 is 4, write 4 as it is, because 3 minus 2 is a match. 3 minus 2 is subtract, easy. 3 minus 2 is 1, but here right side 5 minus 8 is mismatch. 3 minus 2 is 1, you are supposed to write 1 here, but see the right side, it is mismatch. So, 1 minus 1, 0. When it is a mismatch combination, see the complement of 8 is 2, 2 plus 5, 7. See the right side, it is mismatch. So, 7 minus 1, 6, and here nothing. 7 complement 3, 3 plus 6, 9. Am I clear? 7 minus 3, 4. See the right side, it is match. Write the 4 as it is. Clear? Now, here you can easily subtract 3 minus 2, 1, but the right side it is mismatch. So, 1 minus 1, 0. Here it is a mismatch. So, complement of 8 is 2, 2 plus 5, 7, but this is mismatch. So, reduce 1, 6. Here complement of 7 is 3, 3 plus 6, 9. I think it is very, very clear to you. See, when it is a match, write as it is. When it is a mismatch, you subtract 1. Any bigger number 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 4, 5, minus 3, 8, 7, 6, 7, 9. Anything, whatever example. See, you have to do this in few seconds. You take the stopwatch and do. 7 minus 3, 4, but it is mismatch. So, it is 3. Am I clear? 7 minus 3 is 4, but right side mismatch. So, it is 3. Here complement of 8 is 2, 2 plus 6, 8, but it is match. Write 8 as it is. Complement of 8 is 2, 2 plus 6, 8, match. This is match. 2 plus 6 is 8. See the right side, 8 minus 7, it is match. So, 2 plus 6, 8, write 8 as it is. Am I clear? Now, 8 minus 7, 1, but 9 minus 3 is also match. So, 1, write 1 as it is, because it is match. Right side, if it is match in right side, you write as it is. If it is mismatch, you reduce 1. Here 8 minus 7 is 1, but here 9 minus right side is match. So, write 1 as it is. Here 9 minus 6 is 3, but right side is mismatch. Here 8 minus 7 is 1, right? Here it is match, so we have written 1 as it is. Here 9 minus 6 is 3, but right side it is mismatch, so this 3 will become 2. And again complement of 7, 3, 3 plus 4, 7, again it is mismatch, so 6. And here complement of 9 is 1, 1 plus 5, 6. I think match and mismatch, all these things come here. Please observe, 7 minus 3 is 4, but it is mismatch, so it has become 3. And complement of 8 is 2, 2 plus 6, 8, it is match, right, 8 as it is. And here 8 minus 7 is 1, and see the right side, 9 minus 6 is match, so 8 minus 7 is 1, right 1. Here 9 minus 6 is 3, but right side 4 minus 7 is mismatch, so 9 minus 6 is 3, but you have to write it as 2. And again this is mismatch, so complement of 7 is, if you can subtract, well and good, if you cannot subtract, complements. Complement of 7 is 3, 3 plus 4, 7, but right side 5 minus 9 is mismatch, so it will become 6. And finally complement of 9 is 1, 1 plus 5 is 6. So this 7, 6, 8, 9, 4, 5 minus 3, 8, 7, 6, 7, 9 is a, see, I will tell you same multiplication, elders also will be observing, kindly see sir, 7, 6, 8, 9, 4, 5, okay, 3, 8, 7, 6, 7, 9, right. Immediately 7 minus 3, 4, but it is mismatch, 3, 2 plus 6, 8, but it is match, 8, 8 minus 7, 1, but it is match, 1, 9 minus 6, 3, but it is mismatch, 2, complement of 7 is 3 plus 4, 7, but it is mismatch, 6, complement of 9 is 1, 1 plus 5, 6, okay, just you can do it in few seconds. Here match, mismatch, both the things I have taken. See exactly 8 minus 7 is 1, but it is match, so you did not reduce, you have written 1. Here 9 minus 6 is 3, but right side it is match, it is mismatch, so you have reduced 1. Here you did not reduce, here you reduce, and here complement of 2 is as usual. So match, mismatch and complement, if you know, you can do any type of subtractions, let there be million numbers, just you can go on writing the answer like this. Okay. Now I will show you some more examples.